Welcome to the first vlog of 2024, guys. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. And to start off this vlog, I'd like to share a few snippets of Christmas celebrations in my country. This year I had a chance to be with my family for the first time in almost 10 years to celebrate Christmas, and I enjoyed every minute of it. It felt great to be back home and celebrate Christmas the way I used to, with the traditions I grew up with. Now, to start off with the first task for this vlog, I decided I'll be organizing my A-grade bins, and I 3D printed all the compartments for them. However, I lost all the footage that I recorded before 2024, which included me talking about my 3D printer getting broken and me fixing it afterwards. So you'll only see the footage where I'm already fixing it and not really explaining why. So this is pretty much just to let you know why I'm doing what I'm doing. And I have finished this task in 2024, and I just continued on what I started before, task between 2023 and 2024, and I just didn't have time to finish it, so I decided to finish it last week. I moved everything to the side so I can get to it better. Put the filament on top, and I'm just gonna dust it off a little bit because it really needs, and I'm gonna take that apart and just try to sort the filament out. So after half an hour of successfully finding this key, I can finally dismantle this. This always gets lost. I always put it on a place and I keep telling myself, okay, I know where it is for next time, and then of course I lose it again. So yeah, I just spent 20 minutes looking for this. It's really long overdue and it's filthy. So I'll just have to use this one for now, so I can print a few of the compartments, but I'll be ordering this from Amazon and replacing it straight away when it comes. But yeah, for now I still have to reuse it for a couple of prints. Right, that looks all better and clean, and I'm just gonna put it back together now. That's all clean now and back together. And now I just need to sort out the filament. And I don't think it might be snapped in the middle actually, I think it was just the end, and I think it just kind of melted somewhere over here, so I might just try to get it out and see what the end looks like, and then put it back in and see if I try to test print if it's gonna come out or not. Yeah, I can see the filament coming over here, it just takes a bit. I think it's clumped up as one piece, so it's really stiff. Yeah, I think it just kind of melted on one spot because it's really thick. That's why I didn't want to come out, and this is the normal size of the filament. So that's all sorted. I'm just gonna feed the filament in and that should be working now. Right, so filament came out, so everything's fixed, and now I can continue printing. And I'm putting all of this in my first drawer, so next time I'm looking for it, first drawer. So I had to put this off for a bit. I printed a couple of these. I still haven't got enough to fill in the full drawer, but I've got enough of them just to kind of organize at least over half of the pins. So I'm gonna do that now. As you can see, they are all mixed up, so I'll have to organize them. But yeah, I was putting off this a couple months in between the first video and the video now, so hence why I have different nails now. Yeah, let's get to it and let's get this finished. I'll be counting all of my stock as I'm doing this, just because I'm running low on certain pins like the Pokemon pins, so I need to make sure I know exactly how much I have left, because some of them went out for some giveaways and competitions. So yeah, I haven't got the exact number that's on my Etsy currently, so I'll be counting them as I organize them as well. So these are all A-grade pins that are now organized. I still have box of another pins that I need to put on backing cards and sort out between A grades and collector's grades. So yeah, I'll have to do that now eventually, because these are these I have a little bit slacked on as well. These should be already on backing cards and organized, but yeah, I didn't really find the time for it. But for now the A grades are done, and all I have to do right now as well, before I forget, is to count all of these, because I don't have updated stock for all my collector grades either, and as you can see, some of them I have like 2 of them left, so I really need to update that before someone buys something that I actually don't have in stock. Here's a bunch of UV heartstones, and here's what I have left from the glitter ones. This is all of the stock I have from the glitter heartstones, and I'm not sure if I'll be restocking these. However, I do have the new version, which is the UV version of these, and I've got loads of these. So don't worry, if you cannot get your hands on the glitter version, there will still be a UV version in stock. I'm not sure what's happening about these Pokemon pins. I love them to bits, however, I'm not sure if my manufacturer still kept my mold. I think they keep it for up to 2 years, and I think it was well over 2 years. So I'm not sure if my manufacturer still has it. If they do, then I would remake them. If they don't, I'm not really sure if I would be remaking these or not. So I'll keep you guys updated about what's going on with these in the future. So I definitely only have 2 of these left. So the normal collector's edition Mudkip, I have only 2 left. And from the A grade I only have 3 left, so I've got 5 Mudkips left in total in stock. So be sure to grab these while you can, because I'm not sure when these will be or if they will be restocking anytime soon. So I only have 5 of these left. So I did actually find 4 more of these on the top drawer, so that's 6 from the collector's grade. So that's 6 from the collector's grade and 3 in the A grade. So I've got 9 of them left. So sorry, I haven't got 5, I've got 9 of these left in total. But what I don't have left is Togepi's. So Togepi's in normal version, which is the yellow one, I only have these in A grade. So if you want S grade collectors, I haven't got these anymore. So this is the last ones, and I've got 12 of these. So these are only in the A grade at the minute, and I've got 12 of them left. And this is all the bunch of my Moon Spirit pins that I have left. So I've got 18 of the pink ones and few of the A grades, and then I've got 15 of each of these, and also a couple of the A grades. So these are running very low as well. These molds are definitely not with my manufacturer anymore, because these are very long pins I've made ages ago. So I'm not sure if I'll be releasing these over again. I'll see. I'll keep you guys updated with these ones as well, but these are running low soon as well, and I'll be sending a bunch of these to Flutter and Fern to her store, so these are gonna be very low in stock. So that's all of my stock updated, except the Ethereal Gems and the Cosmos series, because these I still need to put on backing cards and count all of them. So I've got loads of these still in stock, so I'm not really worried about these now. But yeah, all of these that are low in stock are already updated on my Etsy. As I said, these are sold out in the S grade option, so the only option available is the A grade, and there's only 12 of them left. And for the Mudkips, which is this one, the non-shiny version, I've got both of these in stock. However, S grade only has 6 available and A grade only has 3, so these are running very low in stock as well, and these will sell out very soon. But I will keep you guys updated. I will message my manufacturers and I will ask them if they still have my molds and if it's possible to redo them again. If not, and I will have to pay for a mold, I'll still decide whether I'm gonna be restocking these or not. I'm just working on some sticker sheets. I've got the Dreamy Garden that I need to re-release again, because unfortunately I did a mistake when I was ordering this one. I don't know what I was thinking when I was ordering it the first time, but I had this sticker sheet printed on transparent vinyl, and my initial thought was to place it on top of this backing card and have the logo showing through, but stupid of me, I didn't realize the vinyl's not gonna be see-through as the stickers are, so yeah, that was really dumb of me. So I need to get these reprinted, and I'm gonna get them reprinted in solid color the same way as I have the other sticker sheets, just so it all matches together. And here is my 2 new designs. So I've got this original character that I drew a while ago when I started my business. It's Tiger the cat. It's this cute, adorable, fluffy gray cat. I decided I'm gonna redesign it and redraw it and make a sticker sheet out of it, because I really miss this character and it was really popular back then when I released it, and then I unfortunately couldn't make them anymore because it was just too much work to do them all on Cricut. So I decided to bring it back. So I redesigned the character a little bit. I added a yarn ball and some stars, and I made a sticker sheet out of it. So yeah, that's coming soon as well. And last but not least, I drew this Witch Essential sticker sheet, and I'm so proud of this one. I think it turned out really adorable. and I love the purple color, and I'm honestly so proud of these illustrations. So these 3 are currently being sent to manufacturing, and hopefully they'll be here in a month or 2. And this Feathers the Duck will be releasing in spring. I might be releasing this one in February for Valentine, because I know it's not Valentine, but it's still cute, and I think this would make a perfect gift for a Valentine because it's adorable. And this beautiful and amazing artist Flutter and Fern, she's looking for shoppist for her own store that's based in UK, in Cumbria. So I sent an application. I wasn't thinking much of being accepted, but I actually got accepted. So I had to sign a contract with her, and I had to put a list together with all the stuff that I'll be sending her. That needs to go through her approval first. So this is all the stock I've decided to put together for the Flutter and Fern shop. I'm currently awaiting approval from her. I sent her the list with all the prices and all the stock. But these memo pads and sticker sheets are still coming from China. There was an issue with delivery that I'll be talking about a little bit later. But yeah, so this is all of the stock that I'm currently waiting to get approved. So about 2 years ago I made these keycaps with koi fish inside that are already yellow, so they need replacing, and I decided I'm gonna DIY new keycaps that are in the shape of cute little bow with some glitter and obviously blue. And I also did the backspace keycap, which I might be replacing eventually. It's just something I did really quick, but I just wanted to replace the yellow keycaps for now. So all I'm doing is just playing around with different colors and glitters of resin, and then adding it in the mold and curing everything. If you wanted a more detailed tutorial on how to make these, I can make a video separate from my vlog. If that's something you'd be interested in, just leave me a comment down below, and I might do a tutorial on how to make these keycaps. I'm not a professional, I'm not doing resin professionally, but I can try my best to show you how I did mine. And while I'm working on these keycaps, I'm gonna tell you a story of what happened with the sticker sheets and my memo pads shipment. So I had a shipment dispatched before Christmas in December, and because I was away in my country, I redirected the package to my local shop, and the tracking stopped around 22nd December, saying that it was in the delivery depot and it never got updated more. So I've had at least 10 emails and 15 phone calls back and forth with FedEx, and them trying to convince me that my parcel is indeed in the shop waiting for collection and they will send me a pickup code. And that never happened. I never got any pickup code, and when I arrived from my country I even went to the local shop. I went to ask if the parcel's there, and the cashier said it's not there. So I called FedEx again and I explained them the situation, and they again tried to convince me that the package is indeed there. So finally in January, after about 20 phone calls at this point, I was so frustrated. FedEx admitted they lost my parcel. Luckily for me, my manufacturer has done my sticker sheets and memo pads again, and they dispatched it to me again, and I really hope it will arrive soon, because I really want to release the Tiger the Cat for Valentine and Feathers the Duck for spring shop update. Keep an eye on my shop updates on Instagram, because the Tiger the Cat would be releasing after this vlog and before the new one. So I wouldn't be announcing it officially on the vlog, but I would be announcing it on Instagram. However, the Feathers the Duck sticker sheet and memo pad will be announced both on YouTube video in studio vlog number 13 and on my Instagram. So subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and we will see you in the next one. Love you, bye!